This was $6.99 compared to $25. Biglots, I love you. Guess what month it is, bitch? It's September. Do you know what that means? In Florida, not much. All we get is the decor, okay? This is our only fall dopamine hit. Hi, if you're new here, which you probably are because I am too. My name is Holly Oliva. I'm a mid to late 30s mom, getting my life together for some reason again. You guys can see the lights in the back. Sorry, it's dark out. I went to Biglots. If you've never shopped at Biglots, I gotta tell you that you're truly missing out, especially when it comes to their seasonal decor. It lasts and it's inexpensive, so I don't know what you're doing, bestie. Let me show you what I got. My daughter actually picked out most of this stuff. This cute freaking pillow was only $12.99. Are you kidding me right now? It's bigger than my head. $12.99. Next up, we got these really cute mushrooms that actually might end up being permanent fixtures on my fire mantle. Look at this mushroom. I'm sorry, what? $9.99, and I got it a little sister. Look how cute. Thank you, Biglots. I love this. This was $4.99. I got this for hand soap. This was $6.99 compared to $25. This is cute. I'm probably gonna put this on my fire mantle as well. It was only $4.99, marked down from $8.99. And then I got this little tiny pumpkin. I'm gonna put up my daughter's bed. It was $3.99. Oh my god. And then my husband took our daughter to the mall this weekend and got me this amazing pumpkin candle, which I have not lit, and it's been so hard. It literally 100% smells like pumpkin pie. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin soy wax blend candle, Bath and Body Works. The next day, shortly after I attempted to decorate, I realized that my mantle was extremely freaking dusty. 1, and 2, the lighting was terrible. So I saved it for today. You might hear toddler noises, that's because I have a toddler. But let's get to decorating, babes. You guys want to see my OOTD? The lighting isn't much better today, but I had to like somewhat close my blinds because I didn't want to show like what street I live on or anything. Is so cute. Don't remember where I got these. I might have got these from Family Dollar. We actually usually hang this outside, but I think just for fun, I'm gonna put it here. No me gusta. Actually, if I got fake candles on each side, that might be cute. But we have so far, I might move stuff around, you know how it goes. I don't want to block any of the kids' pictures because you know how kids are. They're like, oh my god, you hate me because the corner of my picture isn't showing. So cute.
It's Daddy pumpkin. I goes.
What you doing, Bugs? I have a real alligator skeleton, and I think I'm gonna put it on that shelf in my living room and find those items a new home, probably in my kitchen. Let's decorate him. So this is what I have so far. It's actually, my house is always somewhat spooky. Like I always have, you know, stuff and things. So it's not that drastic of a change. Mostly the change is the fall stuff. Just bringing a little cheer for the season, you know?
Hi, back.
Okay, excuse me. I love my stepdaughter, but her and my nieces are in bathing suits in that picture, so I'm trying not to show it on the fucking internet. Cute. Anything she can reach, she will destroy, so that's why most of my decorations are like up. I do want to get some garland for the fireplace. I actually ordered some from Amazon and they lost my package. Sorry that this has been so chaotic and like the angles are bad. You want to dance with Boosie Bear? It's our friend's dog. Anyway, sorry for the chaos, but I'm gonna have to cut it short because my daughter will not leave me alone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you come back. Sorry for the chaos. That's what happens with toddlers. Bye.